What is the best soil for growing peppers? Well, this is almost like a no-brainer, but hey, you can still ask. Peppers prefer loamy soil. Just like almost every single plant, we need to plant them in loam soil. Good loam soil that is rich, that is well drained, that is high in organic matter. When it comes to peppers, sandy loam soils are ideal for early crops because they warm up quickly and drain well, which keeps your ground conditions well drained and warm. But for the most part, all kinds of loam soil will do for growing pepper.